The gopis go on. Oh, Krishna, all women are bewildered by the sweet tones of your flute. Because that's what, bewildered by the particular kind of drawn-out melody of your flute. So Krishna doesn't randomly play his murali. He deliberately plays that exact raga, that exact tune and tone and melody, which completely bewitches the heart of any woman. It's a hypnotic spell. That's like you go to a movie. They know exactly which music to play at what interval in the movie to create certain emotions. If they want to create suspense, the scene is building up. You know, oh, there's something going to happen. They're crawling into this cave in this mountain, the hero and the heroine, and it's very dark, and it's quiet. And then the violins are going na 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 na, and all of a sudden, they hear a scream inside the cave, and then this monster comes running out, and then the people run out of the cave. So it's suspense. So the music increases the emotions, increases the excitement and the emotions and feelings in the heart of the listener. There's rajasic music and tamasic music and sattvic music, and there's love songs and all kinds of marching tunes, whatever. So that Krishna, that's what Krishna is saying. The gopis are saying, you practiced for so many years. You would go in some caves of Govardhan and practice this tune and that tune. And even those stories are told in different books. There's a story once where Krishna, when he was practicing the flute, when Krishna was young, he was practicing the flute so he could, because he wanted to use this flute, he had a lot of ideas of what he was going to do with this flute when he grew up. He said, this flute is my ultimate weapon. This is my astra. As Ram, I had the bow and arrow. As Vishnu, I had the chakra and club, Gada and chakra. But now, I'm the superhero of love and romance. So love and romance moves on by sweet vibrations, tantalizing sounds, and chanting music. So I have to master it. If I master this flute, I will capture the hearts of everyone in the universe. So it goes in the cave. Toot, 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 toot. Oh, that's not very sweet. Toot, 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 toot. He's practicing. So now he practiced for many, many months. And then he thought, so he went out one day alone in the forest by himself. He said, let me see how well I've mastered this Kala Venogita. Kala Venogita, the artistic style playing the flute. So then he thought, let me see if I play this Mala Rag. If I play this Mala Rag, then clouds should appear in the sky above my head. So Krishna started playing. Wow. It's a totally clear sky. Now some blue clouds have come in the sky. All right, Murli. All right. Looks very promising. Looks very hopeful. I'm sure we can do a lot of things together. All right.